Jesus is one of the gurus, one of the expressions of Christ consciousness. He is one of the embodiments of that living Christ. But he is not the only one. There are others. In this image are pictures of the other expressions, and there are more than this. There are 5 others. There is Krishna, who is next to Jesus. There is Babaji, the deathless guru. There is Lahiri Mahashaya, an avatar of yoga. The next is Sri Yukteswar in the orange with the grey hair. He is a jhana avatar, an avatar of wisdom. And lastly is Yogananda. These are all embodiments of the living Christ consciousness that is transcendent of the illusion of time and space, that which we know as Maya. So really, in reality, Jesus is not the only master. And like many people have been conditioned to believe, especially in modern day Christianity, to believe that Jesus is the only expression of the only begotten Son of God. He is not. There are others. And obviously, the church have only reinforced the beliefs of people who are believing in things that are really relevant to the limitation of this cosmic dream, the limitations within it. But in reality, the consciousness is not bound to any limitations of the cosmic dream. It is all one ultimately. It is all ultimately the same consciousness expressing itself within the illusion of time and space. But ultimately, consciousness is one.